Warm and inviting. Brushed nickel finish provides a lightly brushed warm gray metallic look. Coordinating collection. Coordinates with other Moen bathroom accessories. Innovative features. Pivoting post allows for easy roll changes without the need for a traditional roller. Peace of mind. Designed for hassle-free installation. Add a touch of class to your bathroom with the smooth lines and stacked rings of the Moen Ellsworth pivoting paper holder. Designed with a pivoting arm for convenient roll changes, the paper holder is easy to use and includes everything you need for quick installation. The Moen Ellsworth pivoting paper holder is available in a spot-resist brushed nickel finish that resists fingerprints and water spots to keep your bath looking cleaner. Top reviews from the United States. Screw holes to mount this are farther apart than standard holders. This seems to be of very good quality. It is sturdy and heavy-duty. The unfortunate thing is that I bought this to replace an existing toilet paper holder, the basic style with the plastic piece that you squeeze to change the roll, but the screw holes on this one are farther apart than the standard-sized holes. Therefore, the original holes in the dry wall are not covered by TE mountings on this and are visible unless you plaster over them and repaint. I wasn't willing to do that much work to change out the holder. This would be great if you don't already have a holder in place, but not so much for a replacement, unless you don't mind patching the original holes. But the product itself is fine. I will keep this and use when I have time for patchwork.